Last night was a long night. We burnt the midnight oil here. We stayed up all night. The whole crew got the car about 90% done. We had about 10% left to go. We're gonna get this thing put together. We're gonna get shock tuned, get it testing, and then we're gonna go racing. Wow, that's about real size.
Tyler over at Magic Graphics hooked us up with some decals for the number plates, so we're gonna slap these on real quick and one step closer to racing. So we're installing various models of Baja designs on the car to help us with this night race. We're gonna do basically an amber 10-inch on the bumper, 2 XL80s that are amber, and a clear 10-inch Onyx 6 for the shock tower brace. So let's get this on. So we'll just kind of throw them on and get them somewhat snug, and then when we get out there, once the sun's down, we'll kind of adjust to see where Michael and Dean want them to their liking. Actually, you can find this on the Baja Design website. So they talk about how amber works with your eyes, and it makes it easier to see. It kind of tricks your eyes. I think that's what it is. I've watched it once.
But being that this is a budget build, we're doing, you know, getting the best we can out of saving the budget. Dude, if you're not pushing the limits, what's the fuck's the point? A little secret sauce, you know what I'm saying? So being that we only had 7 days to build this car, because I think we got the idea maybe, what, 2 weeks ago? Now with PRP...
Typical Mike fashion.
Now with PRP, they have a new line where they have a stock line. So they actually have seats in stock you can choose from and pick up same day or next day if you need them. Race seats, play seats, all the seats. I was very excited about this piece. Why are you doing that?
Because I'm trying to trying to scare you some more. It ain't even close to you.
Yeah, but what if you catch the car on fire? Don't worry, I have a Savage UTV fire extinguisher. Can you imagine if I was like a dude on a commercial? Hair growth, it does not work. That's fucking perfect, Daddy. Because by the time I snug that down, look, this is all we got.
Don't snug it up.
Don't.
DJ Aaron.
DJ.
That's all Aaron used to do. You
Never
never
put this on longer. Fuck.
Stop using the F word.
Sorry.
God, then he wonders why he never gets paid.
What's funny is the light bar that he was gonna give me for doing all this.
I can't handle this anymore. It's been the longest 7 days of my life. So all we have to do is put the door on. With the Nosty, we got all the adjustments where we need to put all the clickers at and all the nitrogen levels in the shocks. And then I think we just gotta do a little once over and go take it out and test it.
checking tire pressures. I got to check nitrogen in the shocks, set all the Nostys so they're ready to rip. We'll be ready to go. Go put some miles on this bad girl.
Ooh.
Do you guys care about tire pressure information?
No, it's our own little secret.
It is or it isn't?
It is. We run what we run and you run what you run, but you should choose Tensor tires. Just saying. All right, so final piece of the puzzle, we're gonna put the door on. And then we're gonna go out and shake it down and we'll be good to go for the race. I'm adjusting the Nostys to their base settings so we can go out and test the car and see if we need to either turn them in, turn them out, or if they're ready to roll.
It's just, the Nosty gives you more adjustability. So it's like a bladder that allows you to have way more adjustability than just like a standard adjuster.
They're Nosty looking.
It's some, what do the old dudes call it? The last two old customers, they don't call them whoops, they call them what?
The hoops?
The hoops. Let's go hit some hoops in this thing. Like when I hear hoops, I'm thinking like, balling. I don't know anything about basketball. I'm gonna go win a championship in this one. So. All right, the past 7 days finally paid off. We're at round 3 of DP4. This is a night race. We spent the last 7 days madhouse making sure that we got the build ready. We've spent over probably about 60 hours on the full build on this. I think the whole team's setting up everything. We got everything pre-teched. We're ready to go, and let's have a fun race tonight. So the good thing about DP4 is I would say it's like the Hair of the Hound racing. So it's just a bunch of family friends. It's super close to our shop. So we deal with a lot of customers that come out here in the race. We actually put our hands on their car, help them do, window nets, make the car safe.
All right, everybody, thank you. Welcome to round 3 of DP4. This is our Twilight Night race here for you.
Fun. I think we're doing 2 or 3 laps in the daytime, and I think the last 2 laps are probably going to be at the nighttime. So 25-mile loops. It should be pretty quick. They say it's a fast course, so it should be pretty good.
We'll bounce this thing around the course and get a finish and hopefully be in the top 3.
We shook the bugs out. We went testing a couple times. So, well, actually, we had 1 night of testing, to be real honest with you. And yeah, let's go have some fun. We only tested 1 night, remember?
Yeah.
right now we have the first overall car coming through the pits. Should have Michael coming through and say probably, I'd say maybe 10 minutes, 13 minutes.
Trying to see if anything's wrong with the suspension or tires, anything like that. But everything looks good so far.
Car 359, how are you looking on fuel?
So these things are legit. Sea Devils, the best. We'll check back in about 20 minutes when the sun goes down a little bit more, when these things are like doing what they're due, lighting up the night, something like that. I don't know, that's probably somebody else's slogan. Here they come. Got them coming in right now. First lap was about 36 minutes. This lap's about 33, so they're 3 minutes faster than the last lap. Car looks good. Everything's checking out. Michael, I think, is the only one doing 15 down pit road. You don't have to sponsor the race car, you can just sponsor me, Top Corners.
Out yonder, but I'll get you a mile marker here coming soon. We're on a guy right now.
Car 395, your lap time is 33 minutes.
They're on their last lap, so I mean, when they come through, the race is going to be done anyway, so.
Coming in right behind you. Right behind you.
I sounded like the belt delaminated.
But I think it was all the teeth off the gears.
Hi, baby.
Hey, you got a badass.
Still brand new.
Seriously?
Literally can't tell.
You want to know what?
What?
You got a ratchet back there.
Stuck in it?
It's sitting in the back. All the gears are gone. Man, channel locks, you got a bunch of tools on there.
Oh, it broke the fucking toolbox.
The toolbox broke, the plastic toolbox.
You got a pair of vice grips sitting right here.
All your tools?
Hey, budget builds. What do you do?
A bunch of tools.
Aaron, what do you want me to do?
No, I'm just letting you know you got what?
Oh yeah.
Or that thing was just, the bottom still there? Oh, there's a hole.
There's.
Oh yeah, this.
Yeah, tighten that shit down.
Hey, I'm sitting there, I'm like, riding cowboy, we getting it, because it just, the car literally, it sits down and just, it was
That's
just
a cool
working.
car, dude.
That car's impressive.
First lap was good. The car went in limp mode at like mile marker 9, right out the gate. It went to limp mode, and then we just shut it off while we were rolling, restarted it, and pulled the key off, and then We went about 7 minutes the wrong way. There was a hard right, and we just kept going straight into the hill. And our GPS is like wrong way. So then we came back, and then everything was solid until lap 4. Lap 4, we came into like a weird silt section, like kind of like a Mexico silt. And then it sounded like it delaminated the belt, but it ended up the tranny's done. So we had front wheel drive lap 4 and 5. Yeah, I guess the parts rattled a hole into the rear, and through the plastic, it fell into the chassis pan. Oh yeah, look, we got a couple wrenches in there.
It's just hot. I don't want to grab it, but
I'll tell you right now, these tires. Oh wow,
that thing's toast.
What do you think happened? This is what happens. I don't even know how to explain that one.
Power torque. I don't think that's gonna warranty.
All in all, this car runs super good. We did those Nosty from G Force. We just did the settings they said, and it was fucking perfect.
No flats. Tensors held up.
The car did great all the way up until I would say the 4th lap. We started feeling the back end was just sliding all over, so we think we lost the trans, and we were just running in front wheel drive. I don't really know what happened, but I'll tell you what, Michael's a wheel man. This car works. The Nosty clickers on the shocks are unbelievable. For a 7-day build, I couldn't expect anything better.
Now that the race is finished, we finished all 5 laps. So it goes to prove that you could take a car with 4,000 miles that's beat up, hammered. We worked with a bunch of industry partners from Method, Tensor, AGM, DRT, everybody that came together with us and shown that you can take a car in 7 days and make it race ready.